morning, dear children. Come, let's start our study. It's a story time. Unit is strength. So, dear children, we have learned that there was an old man and he was living with his 4 sons. That 4 sons were always quarreling with each other. That's why one day he gave them a bundle of sticks and he said to his children to break it. So one by one his all 4 sons tried to break that bundle of stick, but they could not break. So see the next paragraph. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. Now, their father smiled and he told to their sons to untie the bundle of sticks. Okay, now bricks were separated. Okay, that bundle of sticks were together. That time they could not break the bundle of stick. Okay, but now their father told them to untie the bundle of sticks. Now each stick was separated. Each stick was separated. Now suppose this is a stick. Okay, now 4 sticks were together in a bundle. But now he told them to untie the bundle of sticks and he made them to separate it. And he asked his children to break the stick. And he gave each brother one stick. Okay, a single stick. Now 4 sticks were there. So he gave his 4 sons one stick and told them to break it. Okay, now sticks are separated. So sticks were separated. So he gave them and he told them to break the stick. And each of the sons took a stick. Okay, now each of the son has taken the stick and in a hand, and in a no time they broke the stick. They bent like the sticks and broken. Okay, so now his son said a single stick is now see the next one. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is you will repeat after me, read after me. See next paragraph. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, next page. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. Now, we have saw that in no time his sons broke the stick. Now see, a single stick easily broken. In a no time they broken easily. Okay, the stick is easily broken. But now see, if 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. Now if single stick is there, they can easily break the stick. Okay, if single stick is there, they can easily break the stick. But when the sticks are together, when the sticks were united, they cannot break the stick. That's why his father said, if you are united, if you will remain united, then if you will help each other, and if you live in a friendship. Okay, if you are the friends, you will live in a friendship, you will live in a united, and if you will help each other, then your enemy cannot harm you. Okay, your enemy cannot harm you. No one can trouble you. So, but if you will live divided, if you will fight with each other, then anyone can harm you. Anyone can harm you. Now see, if single stick is there, in a no time we can break the single stick. But if the four sticks are together, no one can break it. It was a united. So remember, his father said, remember that united, what is the message? See, united we stand. If we live together, then we stand, and divided we fall. If we will live together, we can stand. Okay, we will get success. But if we will live divided, if we will live alone, then we fall. We fall, said the old man, and giving his sons a meaningful look. And he gave the meaningful message to his sons that if you will live united, you can stand, you will get a success. But if you will be remain divided, then you will be fall. And see the next paragraph. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. Now this time brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Okay, now this time brothers learnt a lesson. They got a new message that we should live together, we should be in a unity. So they stop fighting. First they stopped their fighting with each other, and they started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Now see in the picture how they are working together. So we should also live in a together. We should not fight with each other. Okay, understood this lesson? Now you will read this lesson.